Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to generate LinkedIn bio using AI based on information on your profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this LinkedIn headline generator by Analytics to generate catchy headlines and bios for your LinkedIn profile using artificial intelligence. First things first, let's go ahead and open up the LinkedIn headline generator website on your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a box in the middle where you can enter your LinkedIn profile URL. Simply copy and paste your profile URL into this space and hit the Generate button. Once you hit the Generate button, the AI algorithm will start analyzing the information available on your LinkedIn profile. After a few seconds, it will generate a few catchy headlines and bios for you to choose from. As you can see, the LinkedIn headline generator has generated multiple options for you to choose from. You can select the one that you think suits your profile the best. Once you've selected your favorite headline or bio, you can simply copy and paste it onto your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can have a catchy and effective headline or bio for your LinkedIn profile, thanks to the LinkedIn headline generator. It's an easy and convenient way to optimize your profile and attract more views and connections. So, if you're struggling to come up with a good headline or bio for your LinkedIn profile, give the LinkedIn headline generator a try. It's a powerful tool that can help you stand out in the crowd and make a strong impression on potential employers and connections. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Good luck optimizing your LinkedIn profile with the help of the LinkedIn headline generator.